Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to make a really quick and simple pudding that's perfect if you're on the keto diet. With only a handful of ingredients needed, you'll have it whipped up in no time. So into your cup or bowl of choice, we're going to add in the chia seeds, the cacao powder, the peanut butter powder, the maple syrup. The sugar-free one that I like to use is by the brand Queen, and the coconut milk. And give that a good mix together until everything is well combined. Oops, and I almost forgot the vanilla. Once everything is well combined, I'm just going to tidy up the top of the glass. And I'm going to pop that into the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. Once the chia seeds are nice and puffed up and they've soaked up some of that coconut milk, I'm going to top it off with some almond butter, a few raspberries, some blueberries, and finally some shredded coconut. And then it's ready to serve. So good, such a wholesome and tasty dessert that, as I said, is perfect if you're following a ketogenic diet and trying to get in some of those good fats. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!